Hi, my name is Harlan Jones from Knoxville, Tennessee. I'm a realtor. I own two businesses, Rocky Top Hardscapes and Jones Property Management. I've worked with Joe for about 3 months. After the second month, my business was up 117% after just 2 months, which is incredible, especially for the amount and value that he brings to my business. He helped me set up systems, fix cash flow issues, and help with sales and marketing. I would recommend Joe to all my friends and family, and I've recommended him to a lot of business owners in the area. What you get for your money is just a phenomenal investment. So I met Joe. He did a presentation at my brokerage, Realty One Group, Anthem. We hit it off. He's a door-to-door sales guy. I'm a door-to-door sales guy. I got my start in door-to-door sales, so I guess that resonated with me. You could tell he was the real deal, passionate about what he was doing, very prepared for his speech, which I liked, and we ended up hitting it off. I consider him a great asset to our business and also a great friend. It was totally worth the investment. We had to make a change, and if you're really trying to take your business to the next level, you have to put systems in place and get serious about your business, and that's exactly what Joe does. I've always been a guy that shoots from the hip, and so whenever I met Joe, I knew that I had to put systems in place and have policies and procedures to help run my business, because what got us here won't get us there. I'm very impressed by all of his ideas that he came up with and implemented in my business. From my real estate business to my lawn care business, business is business, and it's all relative, and it all kind of works together. Even though we focus a lot on my lawn care business, the same sales process will work in my real estate business as well. Joe was able to bridge the divide or the channel and help me do that with all of my businesses, really. I love the one-on-one meetings and sitting down with Joe, him tailoring the sales process or how we handled things to each of my businesses. So it wasn't just like a one-size-fit-all. It was kind of like a custom tailored to our business.